Welcome to the Independence Public Library's Maker Monday. This session, we're making patriotic pens for the 4th of July. What you'll need is a supply kit from the Independence Public Library, and it should look something like this. It contains beads, cording, and an instruction sheet. You want to open that up and sort out your beads. Then we'll start again. Now that I've gotten my beads and my cording out of my container from the Independence Public Library, I sorted them and laid them out the way I wanted to string them on my cording. I set it up so I have a row of color of red, white, and blue, and then my red U blue, and my red S blue, my red A blue, and red, white, and blue, laying out in order here so that it'll be easy to find and easier to string. The first thing I want to do is to take my safety pin, the opposite side of where it opens is where you want to string your cording through. So let's do that. Take your cord, match your ends together. Remember the opposite side of the end that opens. You'll just string your cording through and bring your two ends through that and pull it tight. In your instructions, there is a picture of how to do that. So it should look something like this. Okay, so now we'll want to start our stringing these on. I started with a red bead. It goes over both of them, both of your ends of your string, cording, and just pull it up tight, up to the end. The next set, you just want to take one of your cords and put your red, bead on, your white bead, and your blue bead. Now, you want to take the other cord and string that back through the blue, the white, and the red. Okay. You want to pull those tight. Takes a little bit of maneuvering here. But you'll want to get them so they look about like that. Okay, from here on, you want to continue doing each row the same way. The red bead, the white or the letter bead, and then the blue. And then take the other cord back through. Go ahead and give it a try. When you have those strung on, start the recording again. When you get to this point, where you have your USA and all your different rows of beading on there, you should have one bead left. What you want to do is take both your ends of your cord, string it through that bead, push it up tight, and then I just tied a little knot there to keep them all from falling off. If your cords are too long, you can trim those up a little bit. But there you go. There's your USA pen. Completed. You did a great job. Make sure and tidy up after you've completed your project. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you have a great summer. Some of the patriotic or 4th of July books that we have at the Independence Public Library are Katie Root Woo, Red, White, and Blue by Minitskin, America, A Patriotic Primer by Lynn Cheney, On the 4th of July by Maggie Rudd, and Land of the Free, America's ABC. Come join us at the Independence Public Library. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.